slow. Front porch leans creak and the sun sets low. We're more than neighbors, we're kin by fate, where everyone knows your story, your joy, your way. The diner on Main Street, where coffee's always hot. Morning gossips brew like Folgers in the pot. Miss Betty at the counter, pouring wisdom in each cup. She's seen our highs and lows, stitched us all up. Small town life where the church bells chime. Sunday sermons echo through the pines. We celebrate weddings, mourn the ones who've gone. In this close-knit tapestry, we all belong. Friday nights at the barn dance, boots tapping on the floor. Sweet Susie twirls in denim, laughter at the door. Billy's pickup parked outside, tales of moonshine and stars. Dance away our worries under the same old scars. Count away our worries under the same old scars. The county fair arrives, cotton candy and Ferris wheels. Kids with sticky fingers, chasing dreams that feel real. We cheer for the pie-eating champ, root for the rodeo queen. In this small town theater, life scenes unfold unseen. When storms hit hard, we rally, plywood on windows tight. We've weathered hurricanes, floods, and endless night. Mrs. Johnson's porch light stays on, a beacon in the dark. She's seen generations grow, leave their mark. And when young love blooms, we whisper by the creek, secrets shared under moonlight, promises we keep. The old oak tree, our confessional booth, where hearts men break and find their truth. Oh, here's to small town life, where fences are low, where kids ride bikes till dusk and memories flow. We're stitched together by stories, laughter and grace. In this close-knit quilt, we find our place. Small town life, where the church bells chime. Sunday sermons echo through the pines.